Anupama Sujith and I'll be narrating a story named The Clay Bird on the theme My Backpack of Memories. There once lived a boy named Rohan in a small village with his grandmother. Their house was old and simple with a leaking tin roof, faded walls and a little clay bird hanging near the window. It wasn't fancy at all, but it was filled with warmth, love and laughter. Every day, Rohan's grandmother would tap the little bird and say, "See Rohan beta, this bird sings when the wind blows through it. A home only comes alive when love flows through it." But little Rohan never really understood. He'd always say, "One day, Dadi, I will buy you a big brand new house with large rooms and ACs and no leaks and cracks." She would reply, "That's good, beta, but don't forget to carry love inside it." Years passed, Rohan grew up, he studied hard and got the perfect job in the city. Everything was perfect. Soon, he bought a grand apartment with shiny lights, large rooms and glass walls. Proudly, he brought in his old grandmother to live in with him. But life in the city wasn't the same as in the village. Rohan was always busy with calls and meetings. He had no time to spare for his poor grandmother. She used to sit idle next to the window with the clay bird resting beside her. The bird had stopped singing since the wind stopped visiting. One day, Rohan returned home late and saw his grandmother clutching the bird in her hands and looking very sad. He saw that the bird had cracked and the string had torn. He sighed. "Dadi, why don't you throw that old thing away? It doesn't even sing anymore." She gently replied, "Beta, maybe the bird stopped singing because the wind stopped visiting. Maybe he got tired of waiting for love." Her words lingered in his heart, though he didn't reply. Later that night, he saw his grandmother writing something in her old diary and slipping it in his old backpack she had treasured for years. The next day, Rohan went to wake her up. But she did not respond. She passed away peacefully in her sleep, with the clay bird resting beside her. Rohan could not believe his eyes. His wonderful Dadi, how could she go? He was so sad, he cried for weeks. Later, he took the diary and read the lines she had written. "My dear Rohan, a house only becomes a home when hearts live in it. So, fill your time with love, fill your life with the people who you care for, and fill your walls with laughter. Then, even when I'm gone, you will never feel lonely. Because love never leaves. It only changes its room." Rohan finally smiled through his tears. And at that moment, he finally understood what his grandmother has been teaching him for all these years. Later that week, he fixed that clay bird and hung it next to the window. The bird began singing again. That little clay bird and his grandmother's message became Rohan's backpack of memories, something he carried with him wherever life took him. He cherished them forever.